Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the status of your task within your projects on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your space on Wrike, navigate to the given project, and then navigate to the overview of these tasks. So you can go with a table view, board view, Gantt chart. For instance guys, if you go with the table view, you will see all tasks that have been listed within the given project. And here there will be a field called status. You can also create one if you don't see it by clicking into that plus button, but usually it should be added. On default as a separate column here. So if you click into the status of the selected task, let us go with task number 2 here. You will be given access to these statuses. You can go with planned and progress and review, completed, and you can also create a new status here. So to change the status from new to in progress, select it. And there are also other ways how you can do this. You can left click into the given task and here through the overview to the right, navigate to the status and change it from there. And then there's also option number 3. If you, for instance, navigate to the board view, you may move the given task from one column as the card here to the other one. So for example, we've been talking about this one here, second task, so it's in progress. Let's say it has been completed, left click into it, move it to the completed column, or move it back if it hasn't been completed entirely. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.